Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Praveen Kumar Gomisetti. In this video, we'll see how can we send a mail alert or mail notification from Airflow. One more time. So see in the Airflow, by using Airflow, I want to send a mail notification. We'll see the same thing in detail. See, this is one DAG. What's the purpose? See, alter pipe name refresh. So this is Snowpipe functionality. Is that what I want to refresh the Snowpipe from Airflow DAG? So same thing requirement is that what after success of this pipe, I want to send a mail notification. Let me copy the same thing. Let me try to create a new DAG. Okay, see. So we'll write what? So Snowpipe refresh mail. Okay, dot py. Okay, let me put this is normal functionality. First, we'll try to see it's working fine or not. Okay, sim refresh. Let me put mail, save it. Okay, let me open DAX. So DAX, it will take some time to refresh. It will take some time. We'll wait for some time. Let me pass it. Now, if you see it is getting populated, now click this value. See, it's contains only one task. If you see the code, we can able to see like order pipe name refresh. Let me run the DAG. See, I'm trying to trigger the DAG manually. So it should be success. See, it is success. Now, what is my requirement after success? I want to send a mail notification. So for this purpose, what? Let me go to the VS Code and try to add the what we need to add. We need to add the email operator. So there is a inbuilt function. We need to go with email operator. See, first we need to import. Remember, if I want to see, I am trying to use tag. I need to import it. I need to import it. Same thing. If I want to work on mail notification, there is one operator. See from Airflow, simple thing. See Airflow dot providers. Okay, see providers dot smtp dot operators dot smtp. Basing smtp, we are trying to do all these things. So we need to import. What's the operator name? It's a email operator. Okay, email operator. See one more time from airflow.providers.smptp tp.operators.smtp import email operator. By using email operator, we can able to get it done. Now we copy the same thing. Let me create one task. See, now task name is what? We can give any name. So send mail equal to email out. Simple thing. Let me remove this. Okay, see. I'll get clarity. Now I am trying to remove this thing. So now see it's saying it is not defined. So if I want use, I need to import it. Email operator contains multiple parameters. See task ID, then connection ID, then so to which mail we want to send it. Okay, see. Then subject, then the content, HTML content. Okay, see, this email operator contains task ID, connection ID, so to mail, subject, HTML connect. Now what happened? Let me take this mail ID. So Control C. Now I want to get to here. Let me put to the mail. This is so far good. See, so I want to get a mail. So connection next to task ID. So see, send any name you can do. Send success mail. Okay, so this is the task ID. Next one over to this connection ID, we should already set up. So Gmail SMTP. So these connections need to be done in the connections tab. Okay, so connection ID. So Gmail SMTP subject. What is the subject? So we should get what? Snowpipe refresh. Okay, so No pipe. Refresh success. Simple thing. Okay, success. Okay. So far good. Now what happened now? I want to use some content. So just HTML, normal HTML we can put now. So I'll put header. Okay. So what's the pipe name? So this is the pipe name. So sales pipe refresh completed successfully. Okay, for just okay, see fun successfully. Okay, now close it. We are not writing heavy code, just okay, basic thing. Okay, history. Save it. Okay, now what happens? See, this is so far good. Okay, now what we need to have the dependency, meaning after completion of this thing, I want to execute this task. So now what happened? Let me copy the same thing. So let me put so refresh pipe. Okay, send a mail. Okay, so see like this way. See, after successful of this thing, I want this is the dependency. Let me save here. Let me go to the same. Okay, see, let me refresh. Snowpipe, refresh mail. So see the code. So see now previously only one task. Now if you see there are two tasks. One is refresh Snowpipe task, send. So now if I try to trigger DAG manually, now after success, I need to get a mail, correct? Huh? That's what the expected behavior. Okay. It is getting executed. So once it is success, we need to get a mail alert. Okay. See success. Now if I go here, if I try to see, so refresh. See, it should check in spam. Okay, let me check in the spam. See, right now time is 6:59. Same. Right now this is so far good. So like this way you can able to get the things clearly. Okay, got the point. So here you need to understand now we need to configure this SMT. That's one thing that is explained detail in the okay. See, like if you want to get detailed information, so try to check here. So Praveen Kumar Seti, go courses. See, you can able to click here. You can able to get all the content. So take it and learn it. Okay, this was the way. Okay, same thing. So this is for success. Try similarly for failure. On failure, I want to get a notification. This is for success. Next one is that what? So now I want to get a fail notification. Once my pipe fail, I want to get. So try this one. Simple one. If you like the content, subscribe and share the channel. Thank you for watching.